the queen of forgetting to do intros. So basically, I have filmed a video and I'm finally gonna post after like 3 months of being off YouTube. But yeah, I'm like, no excuses, but like school's been a little bit of an excuse, but yeah, I'm hoping to be back now. I have a few videos lined up, actually I don't. But please enjoy this video and enjoy this new fresh intro. I'm up, but I'm late, so I'm a little bit freaking pissed about that. Normally I go to bed at like 1, but then I was like, you know, I'll go to bed at 10, 11. And I went to bed at 11 and I couldn't sleep, so I went to bed at 1. And I have to leave in like an hour. So, I did my hair. I did this because it's like fun. But yeah, now I need to do my makeup. That hard. I have like 10 minutes to get dressed, brush my teeth, and make my lunch, so wish me luck. We did it. Here we go. My chauffeur. Ooh, look at that. We're gonna take the day like champ. What's up, guys? This is my outfit. Brandon Melville, Vans. Basically, I'm white today. I don't care what people think of me because I have my newly decorated hydro flask. Sorry.
Yes, I live! Stop. I'm subscribing.
Follow her YouTube channel. We've already done one TikTok of the day. Alright, now we're just gonna go to class. We're in first period. Look at this, guys. We're grinding. Time for band. I don't like this class.
Hey guys, it's me, Sarah Zong. We are in 4th period Chinese class. Gang gang. Hi! What the f is this doing?
Hey guys, these are my friends.
Hi!
So we're in 5th and 6th period. I'm about to take a test. I didn't study for... Huh?
Say that again?
I'm vlogging. Do you want to be in it?
Maybe another time.
Okay.
When we're not too much.
Okay, I gotta just... Okay, we're gonna take this. I didn't study. Wish me luck, guys. Bye! ASMR.
Hey vlog, what's up? We're on the bus right now. Is this a Josie Cat Vlogs?
Yep.
Is this going on YouTube?
Yep.
You better put my Instagram on.
Yeah! I just got back from school. It was a pretty good day. Kind of easy. My tests I actually did okay on, which is good. But I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna be filming a night routine, or like an after school routine next week, maybe sometime this week. No, probably next week, like, yeah. So look for that. That'll be the part 2 of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I'm like back now. Okay, yeah, I'm like back for reals, guys. Don't promise. Pinky promises are lies. We don't use pinky promise. Bye, guys. Just probably want to be